So today we're literally going to look at all the options in Scrivener 3 for Windows for EBook table of contents settings. This will give you a quick reference when you're creating your own table of contents. These are using an auto-generated TOC. So first, flat table of contents. As you can see, this literally flattens the contents to the left-hand side. You may prefer this if you have very long TOC entries, and it could be used in conjunction with the bold option below to define main titles. Center body text of HTML table of contents. This simply centers the text as it says. Personally, I don't think this would work well for a long, multi-level TOC, but might be all right for a short list of items. Bold top-level items. This could work well whether or not you flatten your TOC, especially if your TOC is very long, so you can emphasize the main titles. And before we go on to the next one, let's just look at what landmark guides are. These are standard points in your manuscript that retailers use to define things like where to open up your book to. It probably isn't a good idea to remove these, but you can, as you can see here. Next time, we'll be leaving the compile screen for a while and starting to look at different kinds of setups for your editing screen.